Hi guys, I'm international traveler Nancy. Now I'm in Wyoming, America. This is a Bighorn National Forest. We are setting up a campfire here tonight. Let's take a shot for you. This is our camping and that's our truck. This is really a very good place for traveling. In this place, you can see very beautiful scenery and build a campfire and catch fish and barbecue here. This is my tour guide. He is collecting the wood to build the campfire. We are going to stay here tonight. The temperature is very low here because we are in the mountain. So we collect the wood to build the campfire. Wow, you can see there is a creek. It's really very beautiful. Now we're going to the campfire place. Oh, this is our neighbor's truck, neighbor's car. There are some other tourists here. They live beside us. That's our camping. This is another camping, but not ours. This place is very cold in the evening, so in order to get warmer, we collect the wood here and build the fire. There is heating system in the camping, but no heating system outside. See, my tour guide, wow, he collected many wood. I want to help him, but he said no. He collects the wood there and put there, and can see there is a big lake, and this is our camping and truck. It's very quiet here. So you can see the wood we collected. Now he's going to setting up the fire. Now let me introduce the camping to you. This camping is really old and it has a very long history. My tour guide told me he has been here for many times. About 50 years ago, he came here with his father for vacation. This lake has very beautiful scenery. How much is it to stay here in the camping? About 2 nights. We stay here 2 nights that cost 4,480 US dollar for 2 nights. Now you can see there is other tourists. They built the campfire already. Wow, very beautiful scenery. It's very good for vacation, especially for family and lovers. You can also do the fish barbecue here. Now let's go to take a look the campfire. He's setting the campfire using the lighter. He smokes, so he always has a lighter in his pocket. Now let me take a closer shot. He's doing it very carefully. It seems like he has experience, very experienced in building the campfire. Because my tour guide, he went here since he was 5 years old. And he came here for vacation with his parents every year. So this place is very familiar. He's very familiar with this place. This place is in Wyoming. It's called Bighorn National Forest. And it's up the mountains. There are many places to stay at night at Bighorn National Forest, but this place is perfect, I think. You can build a campfire and do the barbecue. It's very, very cool. Now let's see what he's doing now. It seems that it works. I want to help him, but I'm busy taking videos. Let's take a look. Wow, he's so busy. I feel warmer now. Actually, it's chilly today. He wears a shorts and a t-shirt. I wear the coat. I wear the thick coat because I feel cold. But after he sat in the campfire, I feel warmer. It's warm here. Wow. I think I should take the fish and do the barbecue here. It's me, I'm coming. I'm also collecting the wood. The fire is becoming bigger and bigger. I should have brought the fish to do the barbecue here, but I didn't. It's a great pity. I want to go fishing tomorrow because now it's too late. It's almost the evening. By the way, if you want to catch fish here or go fishing, you need the fishing license. You can buy the fishing license in the store. Otherwise, if some guy finds you, you will be fined if you go fishing without license. This place is so cool. It's very quiet and peaceful, but a little bit chilly here. So when you come here, the better bring the fish and some spices and also a lighter to set up the fire. I'm collecting the wood for the fire. There are some small leftover wood around the campfire. I'm collecting it to make the fire bigger. It's so great pity. I should have brought my Chinese spices here and also bought a fish so that I can do the barbecue here with Chinese spices here. Okay, I can do it next time. Thanks for watching. I'm international traveler Nancy. Bye bye.